We just got to Iceland.
And our first stop is Blue Lagoon. It's our favorite.
Why is it our favorite?
Because it's magical and
Yeah.
because it's freezing, but the water's gonna be amazingly warm.
Yeah. First night in Iceland. Where are we?
We are at the Silica Hotel, which is at the Blue Lagoon, and we love it. We've been to the Blue Lagoon a lot of times, but this is the first time we stayed here at the hotel, and feels like a total travel hack. There's like a separate little Blue Lagoon here at the hotel that only people who are staying at the hotel have access to, and literally all day long we were the only people there.
Literally the only people.
It was amazing. So
check it. So peaceful.
this is really cool.
It's not that bad. This is technically our first night in Iceland, even though we've been here for how long? We got in at 7 a.m. or something.
Yeah.
We have gone without sleep. I guess I slept for like maybe 30 minutes on the plane. Karis slept like hardly any. So look at that. Wow.
It's real pretty. Okay, let's go take a shower and go to bed.
Is it cold, honey?
It's so cold.
Morning routine.
This place is so great.
Oh, breakfasts here are amazing. We have passion fruit, all the breads, American bacon, any kind of fruit you want. We've got espresso with oat milk. What do you got over there?
I got skyr, which is like the Icelandic yogurt.
Yeah.
All kinds of yummy things in it.
Yeah. Looks yummy.
It's delightful.
So you grabbed a passion fruit as well.
Of course.
They have actual green drink. little too ironic. Yeah, I really do think it's like praying.
You have literally sung in like 5 different keys.
I know, that's what makes it awesome. Glad I can bring joy to you on this lovely Icelandic morning. What is today? Do you even know?
Day 3.
Is it day 3?
Yeah.
Right, update. It's actually getting prettier. Wow. Can you even believe it?
I can believe it.
You can't or can't?
I can.
Wow.
Look at the steam over there. You see it?
Yeah, that's a geothermal plant. All right, we just made it to Seljalandsfoss. It's a little bit more of a zoo here than it has been before, yeah?
Yeah, it seems like every time we come, there's more and more people.
Yeah.
Which is surprising in the winter. We thought that there would be way less tourists this time of year.
Yeah. But now it's like Disneyland, and you actually have to pay. Just kind of crazy, but it's just tons of people, and we're in the far back parking lot. There's a whole nother parking lot, and it's like, check out all these people.
But it's still beautiful.
Definitely still beautiful. And I was able to fly the drone. It was a little scary, but yeah, I was able to fly. Oh, and that island is over here. What's that island called, Annie?
We just turned down a gravel road and it's beautiful.
So beautiful. There's a ton of birds up there. So why do you like this one?
I like him because his hair matches mine. Look.
Oh.
Look at your hair and my hair.
What's his name?
It's the same. I don't know. What is your name?
Oh, he's got a white spot. What's
Kind
that?
of look. You have like the most gorgeous ombre hair.
Let's get a look at this
Yes, and
close-up
you're
of the
so
ombre.
Fluffy. You have a little bit of moss in your hair. I can get it for you. There you go. You're so beautiful.
Hey, bud. Hi. Look at your hair.
Oh my goodness, you're so punk rock. Hello. Oh,
He's sniffing.
you're so fluffy. Yes, you
He's
are.
sniffing our car.
You get so much attention because you're so beautiful.
Hi.
Are you getting video of this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
he's sitting on your car.
what the frick?
Is it because it's like warm?
What's he doing?
What's happening?
I don't know, but it's probably not good. I feel like I should move the car. Hey. Get out of here. Oh, he's like rubbing his butt on her. Hey, no. Eat her phone. Yeah,
What?
get her. Sick her.
Stop chasing me.
Oh no, come on,
no.
let's go.
Hey.
No. All right, so we pulled off the side of the road here and found a pretty epic view of Skogafoss. away from all the tourists. I mean, like us, but
Much better place to fly the drone.
yeah, for sure. Oh, hey everybody. Just sitting in the car, grabbing a time-lapse video. Takes about 20 minutes. So just sitting here in the car, waiting it out while Karis is up taking photos and video of Skogafoss waterfall. But I don't know if you can hear this. Pretty sure you'll be able to, but that noise is the shutter of the camera every 3 seconds for 20 minutes. So that's what we're up to. Life of a photographer. Skogafoss is pretty dope though. Here we are, once again, coming to you live. What is Karis doing?
I'm looking at the photos you just took of me and deciding if I like any of them or not.
That's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna try to throw one of these rocks into the water and see what happens. Ah, it didn't go through. Let's try a bigger one. Uh-oh.
It went halfway through.
Went halfway through.
Look, I would like to...
Here we are.
We've had such a good day.
Don't fall in the water.
Don't push me in the water. We've done some awesome hiking.
We gotta come up here.
And we've explored some of our favorite spots.
I can't even look at the camera.
And it's so fun to see like how different everything looks in the winter. Like some stuff looks really similar, but just having snow-covered mountains and stuff, so pretty.
It's true. I've seen it, and I agree.
All right, that's it.
Okay, see you. Ah, can't push the button.
I can push it. We were just driving around in Vik trying to get to high ground, and we just found this place.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be perfect for shooting on Thursday when we have our wedding.
We've been up here before, but we haven't been all the way up here.
Yeah,
we just
come all the way up this high.
made it up to the church, so pretty dope. And of course, we're getting another time lapse. Although it's raining. Yeah, it's picking up the rainbow a little bit.
Babe, how do you feel about these driving conditions?
It's pretty cool.
It's really pretty. So, what was your favorite thing that we did today?
Honestly, we stopped off to get a time lapse, and it was over by Deerhole, and there was like this little frozen pond, and I was skipping rocks across it, and it was like a pretty thick sheet of ice, and when you skip the rocks, it made like a really cool vibrating noise. That was honestly probably my favorite.
It makes the weirdest vibration noise.
Look at that big, huge beer. Look at it. Wow. You can see through it. Wow. Bole.
Oh, you're still videoing. How's that beer, Kyle?
Very good. Such a beautiful night here.
Outside and see to snow.
It does snow in Iceland, and these are the biggest flakes ever. Oh my gosh.
This is amazing.
What in the world is happening? Seriously, this is crazy.
It is seriously crazy.
So we come into our room and they tell us we can't even get out because there was a storm. So that is snow, like literally up to, you can see my reflection, it comes up to my chin. Like, this is crazy. Don't open the door, they said, or you will die.
Epic sunrise. Beautiful. So we'll see. We may or may not make it in time to go see the ice caves. Who really knows?
Look at this car. He's definitely struggling.
Oh man.
He stopped. What did we just get done doing, honey?
Ice caves.
Look
It's
at
so
this.
cool.
I'm just gonna spin.
Yeah, so we drove like 30 minutes out into the middle of nowhere onto a glacier.
That's our car. These are our
We
friends.
climbed into a hole.
If you will be hurt, then just think about it later, you know.
But no, I'm talking not even being hurt. I'm just gonna be lazy.
Yeah, lazy, yes. Yes. You know, yes, of course I have a people who are giving, who are very, just 20 years.
Look.
Or 60. Yeah, they're not.
Say hi.
Hi.
So I can tell you, you know, every time before I go to sleep, I spend about 2-3 hours. I cannot go to sleep. I'm thinking always about the caves. Always. It's like a love. So when I finally go to sleep, then I dream about it. And so when I wake up, then I take my customers to the ice.
How long can they hold a pose?
Rock the baby. Yeah, I'm sending you high, a little higher.
Hopefully it's not this windy. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. I'm gonna get it on video too, so.
Good idea.
See you. Here we go.
Oh man. Well,
We made it.
hindsight, it would have been a really good idea to stay here tonight.
Right. This is more intense than anything we've driven in Colorado.
Way more
Up in the
intense.
mountains and whiteout conditions.
Oh man, this is way more intense.
Oh, I got a frog.
We're eating gummies because what else is there to do?
What? I literally can't see.
This is crazy. But honestly, it was crazier earlier.
Way crazier. The wind was blowing the opposite direction. It's coming from.
Well, we keep driving around these mountains.
Wedding time.
Are you still?
No, go ahead.
Look at
Look at that. There's our beautiful bride. Kara's doing her thing. Brent back here. How many people are with us at Skogafoss? Isn't that amazing? None. None people.
Look at your flowers again. Okay, drop your flowers down to your left side. Other side. And then
Get it, hun. Get that shot.
look at each other. Here, and we'll see if we can get it.